Hello everyone! In the glow of the festive lights and the amidst of the winter silence, I would like to welcome you to this special Christmas video. As 2023 draws to a close and we look back on the past month, we recognize the warmth of community, the strength of the togetherness and the hope of a bright future. Christmas, the celebration of love and peace, reminds us that even in times of challenge and uncertainty, humanity and compassion should always have a place in our hearts. May the spirit of solidarity fill our hearts and inspire us to care for one another, especially for those who may be lonely or in need at this time. Let us also remember that Christmas is a time of reflection. A look back at the heights and lows of the past year, but also a look forward with hope and determination. Each of us carries within us the power to change, to create a world filled with kindness, respect and peace. In a world that is often characterized by hustle and bustle, Christmas offers us the opportunity to pause and appreciate the true values of life. May the happiness we find in these festive moments shine far beyond the holidays and brighten our days in the coming year. I wish you all a Merry Christmas. Have a wonderful time with your family or your nearest and dearest. In the coming year, I plan to continue expanding the project. There might be 1 or 2 collaborations with partners. I am open to seeing what comes next and I'm already looking forward to the coming year. Otherwise, the focus of the channel will remain the same. Merry Christmas and I hope you continue to support me. I wish us all a Happy New Year. With best regards, Michael.